Identity theft, hackers stealing personal information to impersonate someone. Identity theft is a severe crime that involves the unauthorized acquisition and use of someone else's personal information, usually for financial gain. In the digital age, this crime has become increasingly common due to the vast amounts of personal data available online. Hackers use various techniques, such as phishing, malware, and data breaches, to steal information like social security numbers, credit card details, and login credentials. The consequences of identity theft can be devastating. Victims often face financial losses, damaged credit scores, and legal complications. The process of restoring one's identity and rectifying fraudulent activities can be time-consuming and stressful. Additionally, the emotional impact of knowing that someone has exploited personal information can lead to anxiety and a sense of violation. Phishing is one of the most common methods used by identity thieves. This involves sending fraudulent emails or messages that appear to come from legitimate sources, tricking individuals into providing sensitive information. Once the information is obtained, it can be used to make unauthorized purchases, apply for loans, or even commit other crimes in the victim's name. Another method is the use of malware, which is malicious software designed to infiltrate computer systems and steal data. This can happen through downloading infected files, clicking on suspicious links, or using unsecured networks. Data breaches, where large amounts of data are stolen from companies, also contribute significantly to identity theft. When companies fail to protect user data adequately, it can end up in the hands of hackers who sell it on the dark web. Preventing identity theft requires a combination of vigilance and technological safeguards. Individuals should use strong, unique passwords for different accounts and enable two-factor authentication where possible. Regularly monitoring bank statements and credit reports can help detect any suspicious activity early. It's also important to be cautious about sharing personal information online and to ensure that websites are secure before entering any sensitive data. On a broader scale, companies must invest in robust cybersecurity measures to protect user data from breaches. This includes using encryption, regularly updating software, and conducting security audits. Governments can also play a role by implementing and enforcing stringent data protection laws that hold companies accountable for safeguarding personal information. In summary, identity theft is a significant threat in today's digital world, with far-reaching consequences for victims. By staying informed and taking proactive measures, individuals and organizations can reduce the risk of identity theft and protect sensitive information from falling into the wrong hands.